MCTA has changed my journey and it can change yours too. Hi, I'm Radhika Verma, a BMM graduate from KES Stroff College, and I'm a marketing specialist in a beauty and skincare industry. I spent 2 years in a skincare and wellness company where I was driving social media, email marketing, WhatsApp campaigns, and client retention. It looked like a perfect job on paper, but in reality, it lacked fulfillment. Most of my responsibilities were back-end focused with zero creative input. It felt monotonous, uninspiring, and lacked real growth. I craved the opportunity to lead, create, and innovate, not just execute someone else's plan. So that is when I decided to upskill myself and take control of my career. After exploring a lot of options, I discovered MCTA and it instantly stood out. Their industry-aligned curriculum, flexible schedule, and hands-on learning approach were exactly what I needed. I did not want just a certification. I needed a transformation. From day one, MCTA has been delivering exactly what I was looking for. I'm getting hands-on experience with paid industry tools, working on live projects, and building my portfolio with multiple certifications. The sessions are led by industry expert trainers with 10 to 15 years of real-world experience. Each class is packed with practical insights, tool-based learning, and strategy-driven training that are shaping the way I think as a digital marketer. Today, I'm confidently stepping into the world of freelancing in digital marketing. MCTA empowered me to think like a creator, strategist, and an entrepreneur. If you are stuck in a job that no longer inspires you, take the leap. MCTA has changed my journey and it can change yours too.
Visit www.mcta.co.in.